Play with her, don't be dishonest. You're not understanding this life.
What Beyonce said?
Ay, ay, antes yo te quería, pero ya no. Me gustaba, pero ya no.
Alright, so we're back from the supermarket and I really didn't get that much stuff, but I'm gonna show you anyways. I literally just went
This shit is heavy, what the fuck?
Anyways, I just recently did some groceries, so like I didn't wall out or anything, but I'm gonna show you what I got regardless. First, I got some sushi. My supermarket makes fresh sushi every day and I was just craving it today. Like, I love sushi. Let me know if you like sushi, because I know it's an acquired taste. Like, it's one of those things where you can try and then you're like, ew. Then you can try again years later and you're like, actually, you might have snapped with this one. So good, especially with the wasabi and some soy sauce. So I just got a salmon avocado roll because I can only have the salmon or the tuna because I'm allergic to everything else. So I picked this up and this is gonna be my little post-workout little snack because truthfully this is not gonna fill me up. Then I got some bagels. I got the everything bagel. I'm not an everything bagel type of girl, but my taste buds are just like maturing, I guess. So like I started craving everything bagels, and obviously I had to get Dave's Killer Bread, 13 grams of protein. Beautiful. And then of course with bagels I got some cream cheese, and I got the reduced fat version because listen, we gotta be snatched, okay? So make healthier decisions. So yeah, just literally got your average basic cream cheese. Then I got some Siracha mayo because I'm gonna make a salmon bowl sometime this week. Maybe I should make it later. Do you guys want to see that? Should that be my dinner? Maybe we'll make it tonight and then I'll like literally, you know, show you. Yeah, pick some more of this because my other one expired, so restocked. Then this is this is so random, but sometimes I'll be at work and I'm like, damn, this food is real good, but it needs some hot sauce. But I don't have hot sauce because I'm like, what am I about to do? Bring a whole big ass bottle of hot sauce with me? No. So now I don't have to. I can bring this cute little bottle of hot sauce, and I'm so excited. First of all, mad cute. Is so little. What Beyonce said? Now I can literally carry this around with me anytime I'm like, damn, I need to add a little dab of something spicy, you know. And I love me some Frank's Red Hot. I'm not a crazy spice girl, so Frank's, this literally gives the perfect amount of like spiciness to me, where it's like it gives flavor but it still has some spice, but it's not unbearable. Then I picked up some mini ginger ale because I get nauseous a lot and I don't know why. I think it might be a side effect from my birth control, and the only thing that really works is ginger ale. And listen, I know that this doesn't actually have ginger in it, but I'm black. Okay, so therefore this right here is my medicine, and some way somehow, I don't know if it's placebo, but it makes me feel better whenever I'm nauseous. So I always keep this on deck. And granted, I'm not even like a soda drinker. I really try not to drink sodas and juices and stuff like that. I really try to just drink water, just so I'm not getting like unnecessary ass sugar and stuff like that and empty calories. But ginger ale, because of my nauseousness, gotta keep it on deck. And then I don't know about you, but every time I eat something I'd be like, damn,
Now I need something sweet.
I don't have a crazy sweet tooth, but I'm a big chocolate kind of person, and I love Aaliyah's face. All right, that is my girl. She don't know it, but that is my girl. All right, and she showed this in one of her videos, and she said that this tastes like Snickers. And when I tell you this tastes like Snickers, it tastes like Snickers, but better. Because my thing, this is my beef when it comes down to Snickers ice creams, right? I feel like they're so fragile. You take a bite and it just like crumbles so easily, and it's annoying to me. Like, you're an ice cream bar. Have some type of backbone, damn. So I like these much better because they're sturdier than like the ice cream version of Snickers. Like honestly, it's to the point where I'd rather get regular Snickers and just throw it in the freezer because I hate how like sensitive the ice cream version is. They have like two different flavors of this. So this one is the dark chocolate, almond, sea salt, and nut. And then they also have this but with like peanut butter in it, which tastes even more like Snickers. It's 180 calories, not bad, and it's plant-based. And like listen, because I feel like anytime somebody says plant-based, at least for me, I'd be like, that shit is nasty. Like automatically I'm like, there's gonna be some type of aftertaste, some type of something that makes you be like, yeah, I can tell that this is plant-based. When I tell you, you literally cannot tell that this ice cream is plant-based. I truly mean it. Like, I kid you not, go out and try and get this in whatever supermarket you go to. Granted, they a little bougie, so you're not gonna find it in every supermarket, but if you can find it at your supermarket, get it, try it. I promise you, you're not gonna be able to tell that they're plant-based. Because I kid you not, this is like my fourth box that I bought of these, and I just realized like a week ago that it was plant-based, because I'm over here like eating it, I'm looking at the wrap and I'm like, plant-based? I was shook. Take my word for it. Like, I promise, it is so freaking good. Once you have it, you literally cannot go back, because I'm low-key addicted to these. So yeah, that is pretty much everything that I got from the supermarket. I'm gonna bust down my sushi because when I tell you I am so hungry, I am so freaking hungry. And yeah, I'm gonna check in later, maybe for din. So yeah. Bye. All right, I know I said I was gonna be back later when it was time for dinner, but I wanted to show you something really quick because I'm about to eat my sushi. Literally have it right here. and I'm gonna add some like soy sauce into it, but not really like actual soy sauce. I'm gonna use coconut aminos. So I'm just showing this because it's a healthier alternative to soy sauce, because girl, soy sauce has so much sodium and coconut aminos has less sodium, because listen, we gotta make sure that we're not having too much salt in our system. We don't want high cholesterol, especially if you're black or brown. These are certain things that are kind of just like genetic and predisposed to us, you know, especially in our food. There's a lot of sazon that gets used in my household, okay? A lot of sazon, a lot of adobo. That's really salty, very high in sodium. So any little substitution that you can make when it comes to certain things, definitely do it. So highly recommend getting some coconut aminos if you like using soy sauce for like any of your food. So that is all for this video. I'm gonna bust down this meal. Hopefully you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, make sure you're following it on all of my socials, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Not me holding my sushi. Bye.